If we want to customize this text over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in the text editor widget. We can see the content settings over here, the style settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. Let's go back to content settings. We can see the text over here. Let's duplicate this text in order to have two paragraphs, like so. We can also edit the text with AI from over here. We can edit the text that we already have with those options over here, or we can click over here to new prompt and click on generate text. And then we can simply click over here to use text. We have the options for columns, like so, and the column gap, like so. Then by going to style, we have the option for alignment, the color over here, we can always use global colors from over here, the typography from over here, custom typography over here, and global fonts from over here. We can change the font family from over here, the size from over here. We can always change from pixel to something else from over here, the weight from over here, we can transform it, we can style it, and we can add a decoration. The line height from over here, the letter spacing, and the word spacing. We can always click over here to go back to default. Text shadow from over here, the color from over here, the opacity from over here, the blur, horizontal distance, and vertical distance, and the paragraph spacing. We can always click over here to advance. We have the padding over here set to percentage, and we can see that we have a 25% padding to the right. That's why we can see this space over here.